This is the new Trisan hair trimmer, a little bit different from the older version. So this is the blade, Trisan, okay, and the cutter blade like this. And the thumb rests in place here. It's also on the older version, but this one's a little bit different. So here's a little bit robust, not really robust. It's slim, but like a figure eight. Yeah, and here you got the logo also. Got 7,400 RPM, 1,600 milliamp battery, and sound check. And as you can hear, when you turn it on, it starts but very slow, then it's going high. Listen again. This was the box, and inside it comes with 3 guide combs, okay, little brush also, USB-C, and adapter, okay, with a charging stand, which is always good. As you can see, yep, and very stable. So I don't know the model number or something like that, but it feels good. When I made an RPM test, it was around 7,200 RPM, but I guess when you charge it, then it's around 7,500 RPM. So I'm not that sure, but we're gonna make an RPM test also. So the question is, do TPOB Crazy Blade or Psycho Blade fit on this? So we're gonna try it out and see. Yep. You have to use this bracket before it can fit. As you can see, they're not the same bracket, so it's different. I don't know. No, the hose doesn't fit. Let's see, it don't fit. This one is wider, more wide, but the cutter blade will fit. Only the cutter blade. Okay. Doesn't fit. So and here it can be with LCD display if they wanted. So this is it. Let me test without the blade. That's it for the unboxing of this hair trimmer. I mean, Trisan hair trimmer. And peace, man.